Good afternoon, this is Dennis.Girod with Guaranty RV here in Junction City, Oregon. Kind of on this little cloudy day, we didn't bring you sunshine today, but what we're going to bring you is a beautiful 2018 Thor Aria 3901 diesel pusher. Like to take you around the interior and exterior. Love to have you give us a call, even more fun to come in and take a test drive. But let's take a little look around the outside. Thor does always such a great job with their colors. Kind of highlighted by the golds and silvers. So, one of our storage bays, fiberglass bottoms and sides, keep them clean and dry. Pull out tray, so bi-directional, you can pull it out either side of the motorhome. Additional storage, another pass-through storage area. Another area. So this 3901 has a ton of pass-through storage, probably some of the most I've seen on any coach. Our water tank area, along with our city water fill. Chassis batteries, that's our chassis disconnect up at top there. We want to store it and kill our batteries, we just can disconnect them there. So our inverter converter, our solar panel, really our chassis electrical controls along with our inverter. So rear radiator, 360 horse. Very nice looking LED tail lights. Power cord with our notch, 4 6-volt house batteries. Our DEF container. Service bay. Black tank flush, whole city water fill, Anderson valve system. The other side of that pass-through we were talking about. I mean, the nice thing when you have a coach like this, it gives you a lot of choices for what you want to carry and how do you want to carry it. So to go up around the front here, so dual fuel fills on both sides. This is our leveling pump along with our chassis electrical. As we go around and in the inside. Now this one does have a step cover that the passenger can raise up. That way your feet don't dangle as you're coming through this coach. You know, the one thing on the Thors is always kind of their Americana interiors. Really nice looking wood colors. You know, it has the glaze, so you have the detail of the dark in the corners. You know, their floor plan itself, any of us who walk in this coach, when you see the 2 recliners and additional TV across the way here, so all we got to do is hit the TV lift and up we go. I think anytime we see this, we kind of sit and think, you know, I could do this. So sofa across the way. Another area that Thor does a very good job on are the dinettes. A little larger, a little better spacing. And there's many things that Thor does very well. So all we need to do now is dial up a good game and sit back and have a great afternoon. So here in the kitchen, we have additional storage. This unlatches with a hidden latch up underneath, pulls out. 2-burner induction cooktop. Nice deep square sinks. Beautiful window behind the kitchen here so you can see out well. Convection microwave, home style refrigerator, pantries with pull-outs. In the bedroom, you know, one of the things they do that sometimes we don't realize, there's hidden storage behind the TV. Kind of raise her up there. Back here in the bathroom, comes with washer dryer here in the corner. Look at the amount of storage we have back here in the rear bathroom. I mean, it's just astounding. You know, I've got daughters, I don't know if they could fill this. They would try though. So 2 pull-outs, 2 drawers, and storage underneath. So, shower with a seat. So nice, comfortable shower, skylight, king bed, reclining king bed. It's electrically reclines. Have our pocket doors with the latches that hold so well. As we're going through here, of course, our half bath here in the middle. Control center for all our 12 volt, 110 volt touchpad. You know, our fireplace. The fireplace is really a 1500 watt electric heater. Little fan on it does a great job on a chilly morning. Secondary TV. This is the dinette I mentioned. Now this one, we can make this down in the bed. We can pull this out in the bed. And one of the areas that's exclusive to Thor is this overhead bunk on their front door units. So it comes down beautifully quiet. Underneath the mattress is the ladder. As you can see, it's also on spruce slats, so it's a sprung bed, very comfortable to sleep in. The bed area has its own storage all the way around. One of the fun of my job is to show families this coach, and I gotta tell you, the kids always love this front bunk. As we can see in the driver's position, we have our radio and our cameras, along with a full set of instrumentation. Freightliner chassis, air ride, air brakes. So this is Dennis.Girod with Guaranty RV. Really be great fun to have you come take a drive with us and enjoy this motorhome and see what motorhome would work best for you. Thank you very much.